carpet cleaning and pest control business, New South Wales Central Coast. Established for over 37 years, this successful family business is well known for quality and great service. It offers a good income with low overheads, flexibility, and all the tax benefits of working from home. Servicing the Central Coast and surrounding areas, the package includes a massive client base with plenty of regulars. Currently 90% domestic, revenue could be boosted by targeting commercial clients and employing more staff. With a wide range of services offered, full training will be provided by the franchisor in Queensland and by the current owners for a smooth transition. There is also the opportunity to buy the Hornsby area franchise, separately or as a package with a negotiable price.